Yep. Spine's kind of faded here, but hopefully probably the tape will play fine, so I'll better rewatch this film, so. And because the tape was like City of Angels and it was pro on April 17th, 2000. Oops. Yeah.
How do you plan on spending this millennium? Spend it with the stars. The biggest and brightest stars are now on video and DVD in Century 2000 from Warner Home Video and New Line Home Video. A beautiful smile, undeniable charm, and impeccable style. That's what makes them stars, and now you can collect them all.
2000 videos
So,
at the beginning.
Very cute.
Kind of like the Incredible Hulk, huh?
Relive the mystery of the Maltese Falcon with Humphrey Bogart. Now available as a special edition with a documentary on Bogey's illustrious career. Experience the thrills of true crime and New Line's The Corruptor. Fall in love all over again with Kevin Costner and Robin Wright Penn in the Message in a Bottle Collector's Edition.
You want to step aboard?
And take home Adam Sandler, Morgan Freeman, Julia Roberts, Robert De Niro, Jack Nicholson, and many more.
Get busy living, or get busy dying.
Words of wisdom, Lloyd. Words of wisdom.
Look for the Century 2000 sticker and displays for special offers.
This tape is a little bit damaged at the.
Like a buy 3 videos, get 1 free offer, and a Century 2000 booklet full of $250 in savings on movies, music, travel, and more.
It keeps me sharp, on the edge, where I gotta be.
Watch Hollywood's finest in the roles that touched our hearts, made us laugh, and made them stars.
Great.
Century 2000, only from Warner Home Video. Own them on video and DVD.
Stay tuned after the movie for music videos from the City of Angels soundtrack, featuring U2's If God Will Send His Angels and the Goo Goo Dolls' Iris.
This sounds a modify at Foster original version. It's been formatted for your screen.
I don't really pray, but maybe you could help me out here. I promise. 105. 105. Oh my God.